What's the meaning of Advent calendar? Advent calendar. Advent calendar. Advent calendar. Advent calendar. Advent calendar. An Advent calendar is a special calendar used to count down the days of Advent in anticipation of Christmas. It typically starts on December 1st and ends on December 24th, with each day marked by a small door or window that can be opened to reveal a surprise, such as a small toy or piece of candy. The tradition of using Advent calendars dates back to the early 19th century in Germany and has since spread to other countries and cultures around the world.